What's up, YouTubers? It's your boy Tech Samurai. All right, we're here with the brand new Note 20 Ultra and Galaxy Buds Live and Galaxy Watch 3. Yes, it's a lot of products, a lot of unboxings. Actually, this one, we don't even have to unbox because I already unboxed that. I'm wearing it. I've been testing it for about like almost a week now. It came early, but story is, great watch, and I'll tell you all about it later, but I want to open up the Note 20 Ultra with you guys and the Buds Live. I am so psyched about it. I've been seeing all the unboxing videos. I've been so excited about it. All right, let's do this. A smart thing for me to do would have gotten like a knife to open up these stickers, but you know, this is Tech Samurai. We do anything what we want. And by that, I mean, I can't open it without a knife. And it's very, I'll cut to when this is open. Having problems here. There we go. All right. Here we go. Oh. Yes. That is a beautiful phone. I am telling you right now, that is a beautiful phone. God. I am mind blown. Yes, I got the girly color. You know why? It has that frosted matte back. Let's look at that back real quick. Oh yeah. As you can see, I don't know if you could see that very well, but no fingerprints. Amazing. Yeah. Now I'm gonna keep the really crappy screen protector they put on there. Thing doesn't even cover the whole screen. If you can look up in that corner, there's dust on it already. Wonder why. By far, an amazing phone already, just by the looks. This thing looks so premium. Now, I'm sad to say, let's get into the rest of this box. I know, a little procrastinator and stuff. Now, this year they did not put headphones into the box, and I would agree with that because if Apple, they're talking about not doing headphones or a charger with it, I agree with that because they're keeping the price around the same. But Samsung ain't keeping the price around the same as the Note 10 Plus. They jumped that thing up. So, like, I don't think it should not come with headphones, but, you know, it is what it is. You get the standard now is USB-C to USB-C. Awesome. 25 watt fast charger. Now, last year, the Note 10 Plus was able to handle the 45 watt charging. This can only go up to the 25. I don't know why, but it is such a beautiful phone though. Like, this is an amazing phone. I love the bump, honestly. Like, that's a big bump. Like, if you look at that, that is a big bump. But it looks amazing in hand. Like, I'm telling you, this camera setup, by far my favorite camera setup of any phone. Like, it looks amazing. I can't wait to get photos with this. It does rattle. I don't like that. Here. I don't like that. But other than that, ooh, sorry. Getting distracted on only the phone. That's set up for all that. Let's get that to the side. Now, this is another taped object that I'm going to take 5 years opening, so bear with me. How's your guys' day going? Good? Good. All right, let's get this looking somewhat neat. Buds Live. I was really excited about these guys. Actually, not gonna lie, this case, so much smaller than I thought. I thought these case was gonna be about the size of the Galaxy Buds Plus, but bigger a little bit, you know, because it's more of that boxy, but it is actually smaller. It's almost smaller than that box. Here, I'll let you guys see it first. Ooh, that looks nice. Yes. All right. Oh yeah. These are so small. So small. Oh yeah, those are amazing. They fit really well. Like, they just rest right in your ears. And yeah, I hear my voice mostly when I'm talking with these in my ears, nothing playing in them or nothing, but it does make everything a little bit more echoey around you when you just have them in your ears. But most of the time you're gonna be listening to something if you're sitting with headphones. If you're an idiot like me, sitting with headphones in your ears with nothing playing, then yeah, that's a problem, but they fit pretty well. I will switch it to the one buds that come with it, the tips. It comes with these two bigger size silicone tips for that put in your ears and stuff. So I will test it with those on, but yeah, I like the fit of them and they are comfortable. Like, they rest right in your ear. They don't dig into your ears like the Buds Plus. The Buds Plus sound amazing, and I love them for working out and stuff, but I also love the feeling of these. I'm gonna take these out because I feel like I'm talking louder. Yes, these are amazing. These fit really well. I am surprised on that. I'm so shocked on that. Now, will they fall out? We'll find out. Yeah, they fall out, but took a little bit of power. I've seen a lot more people having these fall out a lot quicker. But yeah, no, they pretty well. All right, so I will show more when I get the phone a little bit tested.